Hi guys, I am here. It is your Tuesday video, and I hope you guys all are doing great. And just know, still, we miss you guys so much. And we're almost at the end of school, so you guys are almost officially ninth graders. I'm really excited for you about that. So we're going to talk about staying strong. We want you to finish the year strong and, get all of your questions answered and feel like you're ready to go into the summer and to go into ninth grade. So just know that if there's anything that comes up that you're like, oh, what about this? What about this? Really just let us know and we will try to answer all of your questions and make sure that you guys feel ready to go into the summer. Things like if you have a library book, there are still tons of library books out. Really take a look, and you can email me or text me if you think you might have one out. Really take a look at that library. Or take a look around your house and see if you have a library book because they won't usually let you register for ninth grade until you've taken care of either purchasing a lost book or bringing that book back. And really, they just want the books back. They don't want you to pay anything. But so look around and see if you have any library books or anything else that would need to be returned to school. And let's try to get that taken care of this week. But like I said, if you have any questions, just let us know. So we want to really try to finish the year strong. Looking at the packet this week, and I did pop the packet up on Schoology. I think most people are going through it just individually off of the Friendship ISD website, and that's great. But if you want to get it on Schoology, you can see it there as well. Yesterday, you should have read a short text, The Canoe. Some people sent me their notes. You didn't have to, but it was great to see some of your notes. You guys did a really good job of annotating the text, or some people just took notes on a piece of paper. Either way was fine. Today, you have a few questions about that. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you're going to go into letter writing. And we haven't covered letter writing this year because it's now the time to cover letter writing. So just know that there's a ton of information, and I'll post a couple of videos online, but how to write a correspondence letter. So Wednesday, you're going to do the brainstorming and pre-writing. Thursday, you're going to draft it. And then Friday, you're going to actually write the final copy of your letter. If you want to send me, those of you guys sending in your work every day, if you're like, no, I'd rather I'll send her all three of those pieces, the pre-writing, the rough draft, and the final copy all at once at the end, that's fine. Know that you can use your Office 365 account if you want, and that makes it easier to just kind of type it up. That also gives you the spell check and everything. So just let me know if you have any questions about that. And like I said, by tomorrow, there will be some letter writing guidance up on Schoology in case you want to look at that. Okay. So a couple of things that I wanted to talk to you about. Keep reading. Reading is going to be the biggest thing that gets you ready for ninth grade. And if we were in class, we would have read Much Ado About Nothing. But I definitely want you to keep reading. Getting ready for ninth grade, I would highly recommend this summer, and I would have recommended this if we were just in school, regular in school. I would highly recommend that you guys spend 30 minutes once a week at the very least working on Khan Academy. And Khan Academy has all kinds of things that you can work on. It has videos you can be watching. It has different subjects, so you can kind of identify the subject area that you feel like you need to work on, get ahead. It can be your math classes, it can be your English classes, you can work on grammar, all kinds of stuff on Khan Academy. And if you spend some time on there, then that's going to help you get ready for ninth grade. I promise. So that is definitely something I would like to see everyone doing all summer, is spending really, again, just, if you spend 30 minutes a week on Khan Academy, that's going to help you. If you also can do test prep on Khan Academy, that's going to help you as well. And we've talked about, like, Khan Academy can build National Merit Scholars, and that's that full ride to college that some of you really are looking at. I have animals in the off camera making weird noises, so sorry. Summer reading is posted in several places. So if you go on the ninth grade website, or you should have gotten it. So now I've gotten the TV turned off in the room. So it's just crazy around here. But yeah, Khan Academy, if you can use that for test prep as well, definitely think about and start making plans for that to happen this summer. So what I wanted to leave you with today is really specific to one class, and I can't remember what period it was, but when I had my Christmas store up, I had that made a lot of fun of me because this device, the all-terrain armored transport, I called an AT-AT, and they're like, no, it's the AT-AT. And I said, no, it's an AT-AT, because I'm old and I was around when it was first created, and I know. And so I just wanted to give you documentation of the fact that it is the AT-AT. And so my documentation is, if you watch Lego Masters, okay, which is on Hulu streaming, I think, and there is a Star Wars episode, and several times on that episode, the Star Wars experts call this thing the AT-AT. Okay, so you can call it the AT-AT Walker if you want, because you are young people and you don't know any better. But I'm just saying, I have proof it is the AT-AT. Okay, so my daughter just said that was a great episode. So if you haven't watched Lego Masters, it's a great thing. All right, and this is an example of Luke doing remote learning to become a Jedi, which is kind of what I think you guys are all doing. So again, I hope y'all are super, super well. Obviously, I miss you when I'm watching Lego Masters and thinking about conversations that we had 3 or 4 months ago. I also am still watching CNN 10. If you're in my 4th period, I'm like, oh, I missed my 4th period. I'm gonna watch CNN 10, and I'm still doing that. And I think about you guys all the time. Think about you every day, and wonder what you're doing, and hope you're doing well. And so, if you guys need anything, just please let us know, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.